Madalas akong tanungin ng mga tao, Raham, ano ba itong online business na to? Ang sagot ko po ay palagi lang simple. Para po itong franchise model na business. Tinutulungan ko po ang mga tao para mag-launch ng sarili nilang online businesses sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng mga kailangan nila. Ano po ba ang mga kailangan? Yung the tools, the materials, the proven system, and the mentorship and the coaching to succeed. Our purpose is to equip individuals with the right system and support to get them started. But ultimately, it's up to them to take action. Wala pong pressure para manood ng webinar kasi po libre yun. I can assure you that. But ito po ay magbibigay sa inyo ng pagkakataon para mag-research ng sarili niyong mga tanong. At kapag nakapag-decide kayo to move forward, mari po kayo mag-invest ng $149. Para saan po yun? Para maka-access po kayo sa system at program na sinasabi ko. Mula doon, may 30 days po kayo para i-explore at malaman kung ano ang business na ito at if it fits for you. At kung hindi naman, wag po kayong mag-alala, you can have your full refund. In our community, we value integrity. I can assure you that. My role is to guide them through the process, offering the support and the guidance that needed to succeed. It's an opportunity to build something meaningful, but it starts with them. Ang first step po ay panoorin nyo ang live webinar. Paano po yun? You just need to register your name at email address sa aming website, which is www.jeffreyluigan.com. Pangalan po ng husband ko yun. At maraming salamat. Hope to see you inside at God bless. Bye for now.